Health and wellness. We always hear these words together, health and wellness. The question is, are they the same or is there a difference? So, when you look at the definition, the Western definition, the Oxford definition of health, it says, the state of being free of illness or injury. So basically in the West, to be considered healthy, it's basically the absence of symptoms, the absence of visible symptoms. So somebody could be considered healthy, go to the doctor, so at 4:30 they could go to the doctor, consider themselves healthy, and come back at 4:30, come out of the doctor with some definition of a serious, God forbid, condition. So they went in half an hour from healthy to sick, or maybe even really sick. Now the thing is, especially with healthy, serious conditions can take years to develop in the body before we go from well to really unwell and then sick. So really the definition in the West is healthy is the absence of symptoms, of visible symptoms of sickness or injury. Now, when we go to talk about wellness, the definition, the Oxford definition of wellness is a state of being in good health, especially as an actively pursued goal. What that means is wellness is in the category that we're proactively trying to stay healthy, proactively taking practices that will keep us well as a goal. We're actually doing something proactively to stay well. Now, if you take it a step further, if you ask the Eastern philosophy now talks about the fullest realization of our physical, mental, emotional potential. It covers attitude, it covers fitness, it covers diet, it covers the avoidance of unhealthy practices, and it covers prevention. So when we're talking about wellness, really, you would like to have a state of wellness that covers all aspects of your being, that you're feeling well on all levels, emotionally, mentally, physically. It's just, you even feel on purpose. It just, everything fits together. They all fit together. It's a feeling of unity within yourself. That is your ultimate state of wellness, where you proactively take steps to stay well in all these areas. Now, what is interesting is in China, traditionally, doctors used to be paid to keep their patients healthy. That means doctors only got paid when the patients, to keep their patients healthy. So when their patients were sick, they stopped paying the doctor. Now really that makes sense, because when a person is unwell, normally they can't work, they don't have an income, and the goal of the doctor was really to keep us well. It's really interesting because in the West, we really pay our doctors when we are unwell. So it's a bit ironic that there's not much motivation for our Western doctors to keep us healthy, because we don't go to see them when we're healthy, right? So that is all interesting. So that really health and wellness, depending on who you ask, have different definitions. If you want to learn more about tips of how to stay well, we'll be offering a presentation, a free live event, and the details are below. They're live on Zoom, and we're going to cover the 4 different areas that we can focus in our health to really give us to take our wellness to the next level. And the beauty about wellness is that it's not a healthy and sick. Wellness, you can always take your wellness to the next level. Wherever your wellness is, you can always take it to the next level. There's always an area that you can focus, whether your diet can be a little bit better, whether you can take your exercise to the next level, whether your emotions, your state of mind could be a little bit better. So if you want to learn more, just join me. Just click on the link below, register. It's completely free. You'll have lots of opportunities to ask questions, and I look forward to seeing you then. I'm Mandakini from Dynamic Wellness. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.